Light and Carry Area Flood Site AFS lights are designed to provide wide, bright illumination to dark workplaces. Featuring the same Clore Performer battery technology as our Light and Carry work lights, these AFS lights have a laundry list of features to help brighten your work environment. Two models with powerful output, the 1500 Max Lumen LNC2251 and the 4000 Max LNC2551. Each light has 3 intensity settings and provides 4 hours of runtime on the 1500 lumen setting. Advanced COB LED light engines deliver clean, pleasing light with no hard edges and low power consumption. Each light features a removable battery system and comes with 2 batteries. This allows the operator to have one battery on the charger while the other battery is in use. The battery is identical for both models, so a shop could deploy a combination of 2 lights and use the batteries interchangeably. IP64 dust and water ingress protection, as well as a robust rubberized casing, protect the units from damage. Each light features a 180-degree swivel action magnetic arm with mounting holes, allowing a wide range of mounting options. Affix it permanently, attach it under the hood of a vehicle, or use it as a handheld light, whatever the situation calls for. The LNC2251 and the LNC2551 also comes with a wall charger and repair service coupon for one-time fixed fee repair after the warranty period has expired. Seriously powerful lights for serious jobs. Light and Carry AFS lights.